Welcome to this special hypnosis session designed to unlock your life's purpose and true potential. Before we begin, make sure you're in a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down and let your hands rest gently by your side. For optimal outcomes, I recommend listening to this session daily to fully embrace its transformative effects. Be a part of the Red Button Challenge community by subscribing to my channel, and please like and share this video with your friends. Don't miss my homepage video to explore my vision for a global shift in consciousness. Now, close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. With each breath, feel more relaxed and at ease. Now, imagine yourself standing in a field at night, under a sky filled with stars. Feel the cool grass under your feet and the gentle breeze against your skin. Look up at the vast cosmic canvas above you, twinkling with countless stars. Now, choose a star in the sky. This star represents your true potential. See it getting brighter and larger, as if it's approaching you. Feel its warm, gentle light descending from the sky, enveloping you in a radiant glow. This light carries the wisdom of the universe, guiding you towards your true purpose. Imagine a river appearing before you. This river flows from the waters of insight and clarity. Step into the river and feel the water swirling around your feet. With each step, you go deeper, and with each step, you feel more connected to your inner self. Now slowly take deeper and deeper steps into the water. Now you are in the river. Allow yourself to be gently carried by the river. As you float downstream, each wave whispers insights about your life's purpose and potential. Listen to these whispers and let them guide you deeper into your subconscious. As you continue to float, repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am in tune with my life's purpose. Every day, my true potential unfolds. I trust the journey towards my greatest self. I am in tune with my life's purpose. Every day, my true potential unfolds. I trust the journey towards my greatest self. I am in tune with my life's purpose. Every day, my true potential unfolds. I trust the journey towards my greatest self. Feel a sense of understanding and acceptance wash over you. Realize that you are on a unique path, perfectly designed for you. Your experiences, challenges, and triumphs have all prepared you for this moment of revelation. Gradually, the river brings you back to the field. Feel yourself emerging from the river, carrying the insights and affirmations with you. The starlight gently fades, leaving you with a sense of peace and purpose. When you are ready, take 3 deep breaths. With each breath, become more aware of your surroundings, gently wiggling your toes and fingers, opening your eyes when you feel ready. You have now completed this hypnosis session. Remember, the insights and feelings you experienced are within you. Carry them into your daily life as you continue to explore and fulfill your life's purpose and true potential. And remember, for optimal outcomes, I recommend listening to this session daily to fully embrace its transformative effects. And please be a part of the Red Button Challenge community by subscribing to my channel. And please like and share this video with your friends. Thank you.